When you claim asylum, you should bear in mind you can expand your human rights claim or humanitarian protection claim in your asylum claim. The reason is asylum claim automatically implied claim or included your human rights or humanitarian protection. Firstly, what is humanitarian protection? Most of you know about human rights. Well, humanitarian protection is a bit different than asylum claim. So let me explain you first what is asylum claim. I'll not go details. I have a different video on particularly asylum claim. You can have a look. So asylum claim, basically you have to be qualified as a refugee under the definition of refugee under Article 1 of Refugee Convention. You must be a refugee for 5 reasons. Now, if you are not eligible for refugee, if your claim doesn't set in the definition of refugee, then you may be eligible for humanitarian protection. Now, say for example, any particular group, you pay £20,000 to any group, and they basically traffic you to the UK, and now you have a fear to back to your home country, that if you return to go, that group will prosecute you, and they will harass you. You will not get protection in your home country. In that case, should you claim asylum, or are you within the definition? The question is, are you within the definition of refugee? Well, you are not in the definition of refugee, because the refugee, if you want to claim asylum, you must have a 5 conventional reason. That is your race, religion, nationality, membership of any particular group. So these are the 5 reasons. This is not within this reason, so your asylum will be refused. However, if your asylum is refused because you are not within the definition, but you will be prosecuted because and you have a fear, then the Home Secretary give you humanitarian protection under the immigration law. So basically, if you are not within the definition of refugee, then you could get a protection under humanitarian protection. So this is what the humanitarian protection. What is human rights? Well, human rights, most of you know, there are lots of conventional human rights, CHR, Human Rights Act, Right to Life, Article 8, Rights, Private and Family Life, and some other Article 2, Article 5, medical reasons. So all this put in one place, human rights. When you claim asylum, you must consult with a lawyer who are familiar with the asylum claim, humanitarian protection, especially the human rights. Because I particularly dealt with many applications where the claimant, the applicant, has a potential human rights claim, but simply it was not included in the asylum claim. Therefore, the asylum is refused. But if it could be included, then if the asylum refused, he could get leave to remain or discretionary leave under human rights law. Also in human rights, humanitarian protection. So it is important when you are thinking to claim asylum, you should also expand your human rights claim. You should expand your humanitarian protection claim. If you traffic in the UK by any smuggler, or if you've been blackmailed to come to the UK, or if you if you are a victim of forced labor, or whatever it is, all of these you can include. In that case, either human rights claim will be successful, or your humanitarian protection will where to live in the UK, or refugee convention. All what the most important piece of advice I'll give you is To be honest, you have to be honest with the Home Office. You must establish yourself. You are a credible witness. You are a credible person. You are giving a credible story. And most of the asylum claim refuse because of the credibility. So you have to be very careful. And asylum human rights area is very complex area of law. I would suggest you to, before you make a decision to claim asylum, speak to a lawyer who are familiar with this area, have a consultation, and then make a decision. Without this, you might not get right information, right advice. You will destroy your case, you will destroy your future. Thank you very much. If you need any assistance, please feel free to call us. My name is Farhan Ahmed. I'm the principal solicitor of SWF Solicitor. We have office in London and Milton Keynes. We also advise remotely via video link, so by Zoom or WhatsApp. So please feel free to call to the number here on the screen. You can Google SWF Solicitor and you'll find our details contact in future if you need.